Yeah. Hey, we got this Barracuda X from Razer. It's a headphone, cordless. We don't know how good it's going to work. It's brand new. It's supposed to be good for PlayStation, PS5, or the PS4. And it's also supposed to work with the Nintendo Switch. We had one, what was it? Turtle Beach. And it kept burning out the USB thing that's in there within 30 days. So we're hoping this one will work good with our PlayStation. We don't know how good it's going to work, but it came recommended, so it's pretty nice. So we're going to be opening it up to kind of look at it, see what it's like. And this is also part of Jaden and my birthday. More Jaden. But
and you too,
yeah, I'm kind of getting tired of playing on Nintendo Switch.
Finally have some good console for it.
It's not very good for Battle Royale on Fortnite. It's a bit slow. I'm still not so great with it. Boy, what that thing doesn't even want to seem to come out, does it? Well, it's packed good enough. How the heck is it supposed to come out? It's supposed to just slide. Oh, geez, I thought maybe they glued it in for a minute.
Just hold on. Oh, because these things on the bottom.
Maybe. Barracuda X. Oh, they don't look too bad so far, but can't really see them through the package. Oh, they don't look too bad. Boy, these paddings are really soft.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, they're squishy too.
Yeah.
Try them on.
Feel kind of decent.
There's a piece of tape, I think.
Where's the mic?
There's no mic?
What the heck? Maybe it's in here. We gotta set it up. There's another box here. It looks like there's a mic.
There is, see?
Yeah, there's another little box in here attached.
What? Oh, it says it's detachable.
Oh, yeah, so that's why these are in there. Those spike things on the bottom. Yeah, well, there's a few things in. Oh, here's the mic. I can already see that. Ah, yeah, so there's the mic.
And here's a cord. Charger,
Yeah.
maybe? Wait, no. I don't know what that is.
Which one does it go in here? Oh, like that.
It should be able to bend.
Oh, Lord. That one, it fits real good.
And it should be able to bend, too.
Yeah, it should be able to bend.
I think that's... I don't know, it shows something here.
Yeah, that's probably the other for the plug into the back. We'll have to open up this one. I think that says, what does that say right there? 2-year warranty?
2-year warranty.
And it's got a 2-year warranty on it. I think it's missing something. Is there something more in here?
No.
Oh, there's another bag in here. Because this is for the USB to, I think, to charge it. And it goes here and probably into the other for charging. So one's big, one's small. I don't know why. Should have two small. Unless it's for one of these. See, then these are the ports. And that's the USB for, this is for charging here. And then this is the, I think this goes in here. That's small. And then you hook it up because it shows right there. One male, one female. So this is what you do. You plug it into this, plug that one in to the PlayStation. I don't know why you can't just plug that straight in, but that's what it is. And this is a USB. Have to read the directions fully.
For the Switch, you can plug it straight in.
Yeah, the Switch you can play it, but it might just be.
It might just not fit.
Yeah, and then it's got these two males. Not sure what it's for yet. You have to look. But that's what you plug in to the back.
Oh yeah, this is way too small, I think. That's why.
Yeah, my glasses again. Oh, what's that? Oh, stickers. Yeah.
Oh, they go here, I think, maybe.
Yeah. Got some really cool stickers that came with it.
Those can go on my headset, right?
Type-C charging cables. Important product information guide. That's a 30mm combo. Oh, and these are actually to plug in to the headphones. To be able to plug it into your phone, computer, PlayStation, or your Nintendo Switch. That's why I see they got two
Even phone?
females. Yep, even phones you can use it for, and pretty much anything.
Oh yeah, it shows here.
So it's just
Put this
extras.
in, then the
Yeah, that
to a
goes into
female.
the other ones. That goes in here. So it'll go into the small end, and then you put that into the port in the back, and everything will work just fine. But let's see what they feel like getting them put on. Oh my.
Good.
Oh, these feel so much better than the Turtle Beach. Oh my.
Feel better than mine.
Oh yeah, them feel so much better. So soft. Very soft. And then you can just turn this in
I'm
more
ready
to be able.
fly.
You don't want it that close. You get it too close and then it'll muffle. That's close enough. But that feels really good, doesn't it? Really super soft.
You can turn it too, like this. Turn it.
Yeah, turn it. Should be adjustable. Yep, it's adjustable.
You can speaker it too.
Yep, talking to that.
It went down a little bit, but that's okay.
No, you just adjust it. It's not like yours where it just comes down and
It's easy. You don't have to mess with it at all.
I need to put these back in so we could get it tomorrow. We hook it all in. And charge them up.
Friends are gonna be happy you have a mic again.
Yeah, everybody will be happy I got a mic again. Because I didn't have a mic.
So will I.
And I'd have to yell into Jaden in his room where he's got his Xbox.
Xbox.
I have to yell in there.
Xbox.
But that's what that looks like, the Barracuda Razor. It says for gamers, by gamers. So let's hope they work good. We'll give you another review once we find out how good they are, how good they talk, how good we can listen. You know, and attach it to the PlayStation and we'll find out exactly how nice everything
Which
is.
one was it? This one? This one, Dad?
Yes. I pointed to it, didn't I?
Yeah, I didn't see.
Yes.
I didn't see, sorry.
So, and it just plugs in, plugs out. You know, so it'll be, hopefully it'll be nice. We'll find that out soon enough. So we'll let you know what it's like and if it's worth it. But we heard they're pretty good, so and then we'll just go from there. Take care, and we'll see you later. What you got to say, boy?
Goodbye. Like and subscribe for, and you turn on the bell for more daily videos. And goodbye.